呢個係 Noah 第一次飲中嘅。Cheers!
This is gonna be your torture, Noah. We gotta be brave. Will I make it out alive is the question.
OK， 今日有幾個神秘驚喜俾兩個仔仔，但係我唔 sure 佢哋係開心定唔開心。Boys，
早安
OK， 我有個神秘俾你哋。
Surprises.
你記唔記得幾個月前爹哋去睇中醫，然後成個背脊都有啲圓圈印啊
I'm not gonna lie, it's actually very, very strong pressure. Feels like an octopus sucking.
Suspicious.
OK， 咁今日咧，爹哋媽咪就會帶埋你哋兩個去睇中醫。
我驚驚。
唔好發脾氣住。如果你哋乖乖嘅話咧，睇完中醫之後，首先我會帶你食好嘢，跟住我會帶你去睇 Toy Story 5。
We gotta be brave.
我哋去市中心啊！
唐人街。
係喎，認到喎。
I like that one up there. Oh no.
點啊？我哋緊唔緊張啊？
唔緊張。
咁勇敢。病人等候區，唔使急，最緊要快。今日我哋嘅 objective 咧就係想帶兩個小朋友第一次睇中醫，睇下我哋會唔會 discover 咗啲以前睇西醫唔知道佢哋嘅身體狀況，因為佢哋未 experience 過咧，其實佢哋咧就唔知會發生咩事嘅，咁就想 Noah 同 Finley 而家體驗一下。你哋邊個先啊
Hey.
？All right, Finley。
Show your tongue as much as possible. Great.
Finley 係咪有啲緊張啊？
係啊，個脈搏好快啊！雖然話咧，其實小朋友個脈搏本身就已經快過大人，喺大人上可能已經當係啲感冒啊，或者係有問題嘅脈嘅嗰個速度，擺喺小朋友身上其實係正常，因為佢哋個新陳代謝快啲，個脈跳得快啲啦。第二咧就係小朋友個脈咧其實好窄㗎，我哋成年人把脈大概用擺到落3隻手指，小朋友未必把得晒，因為佢哋嗰個手腕短啲啊，所以咧把脈上嗰個難度會再大過大人。咁我哋用其他嘢做參考嘅，話睇脷啊、睇面色嗰啲都好重要。好細嘅小朋友咧，6歲樓下咧，我哋有時會睇埋手指啲血管，咁我哋就會睇埋佢哋嗰個食指，呢個就係小朋友特有嘅。你可以見到呢條血管係會上嚟，大概去到3隻手指呢度嘅。如果係病或者係感冒嘅小朋友，佢呢條血管會好明顯，指紋都唔錯。
Finley 好驚你覺得佢唔舒服。你哋兩個邊個健康啲啊？
咁你見到哥哥咧9歲啦，加上佢真係比較高，把脈嗰個情況已經會再接近大人啲㗎啦。
Okay, so this is the boys' first time doing TCM. Is there anything you can tell us that Western medicine might have missed?
喺西醫嗰個角度，佢哋冇虛呢個概念嘅，所以佢哋睇小朋友啦，大部分嘅疾病都係可以睇到，哦，你有呢個問題，嗰個問題，但佢哋冇辦法去幫助到緩解到唔足夠嘅問題，唔夠氣、唔夠血、陽虛、陰虛呢啲，佢哋冇呢個概念，所以都做唔到，所以佢哋嘅藥物其實都幫唔到，話補虛啊、保持我哋身體正氣，就難啲做到呢樣嘢。有病就打，但冇病好難令人叫做強身健體。咁好多小朋友一出世就好多敏感啦，西醫可能會話哦基因問題啦，又或者係叫做環境污染，但佢哋咧就冇辦法睇到咁多個呢啲敏感疾病嘅關聯。例如話好多有濕疹嘅小朋友咧，其實都好易有鼻敏感哮喘嘅。咁基本上就好似個大套餐送過嚟㗎啦。咁原因都係話同嗰個肺脾個關係好唔好？肺咧就係鼻啦、呼吸啦，同時都主於皮膚嘅，所以肺唔好嘅小朋友好多時候其實皮膚都唔好。咁呢啲佢哋嘅關聯性就冇中醫嗰度咁強咯。
Noah 一出世嘅時候，其實佢唔係好透到氣，個面係藍色嘅，跟住就送咗去 ICU 啦。其實好似你咁講，佢係唞氣有問題，皮膚有 eczema， 跟住唞氣就有 asthma， 跟住就有勁多敏感。佢上年做完手術之後，個鼻其實都不停咁樣流。雖然佢夜晚瞓覺嘅時候已經唞氣順咗好多，跟住而家連棚牙嗰個牙醫都話其實佢係影響到
mouth breathing 蘋果好勁係嘛？
所以好希望今次睇中醫就可以有解決方法。
佢瞓覺瞓得好唔好啊？尤其細個時候咧，會唔會成日都出好多汗啊，點嚟點去？
佢係嗌極都唔醒嘅人嚟㗎，睇下而家都仲想瞓㗎。
如果小朋友個鼻唔好，即係可能鼻敏感比較嚴重啲，夜晚瞓覺就可能個鼻會塞啲，要口呼吸嘅，瞓得好死，但日頭好似瞓極都瞓唔夠，好攰咁樣咯。
OK，咁而家兩個小朋友擺完物、睇完條脷、做晒所有檢查之後，首先第一個問題，兩個小朋友邊個個底健康啲？
細佬哥哥個脈咧，中醫一個叫少陽體質嘅人，其實佢個脷尖同埋個嘴咧都偏紅啲㗎，所以我估而家咧佢應該容易啲頭面都會覺得好痕啊，因為我哋話講緊心肺嗰度相對地風同埋熱都比較多啊，咁所以我就覺得佢應該而家個頭同埋面應該唔係好舒服。
可能佢所以今日有啲攰。
如果小朋友個脾胃唔好，瞓得唔好，好多時候會見到佢大個鼻梁、眼周好青嘅，可以見到佢太陽穴咧青筋係比較多、比較明顯。
咁橫掂都嚟到啦，我就順便問埋醫生，我一直肚嘅問題，其實之前都拍過幾條片關於我處理肚問題、肚脹嘅 journey 啦。咁其實嚟到都想問下，可唔可以幫一幫我手，處理呢個多年困擾我嘅難題？
唔要試下針灸啊？
你話媽咪針灸好唔好啊？喺個頭度好唔好？
It helps. You get them instead then.
No, you go instead.
上次針灸已經係2年前啦。Why am I nervous?
Don't you want to see?
好冤係嘛？呢個會有啲啊。可以啦。
It is okay. It's okay.
They couldn't handle it.
How does it feel seeing your wife like this?
She's still and quiet, so it's fine by me.
You can go outside too. 而家唔想見到你。
OK。
我針灸完係時候到老公嚟啦。
Going for a walk.
Oh no. Would there be little holes in him?
Short-term pain, long-term gain.
話咁快 Noah 同 Finley 就睇完第一次中醫啦，唔知佢哋有咩諗法呢？ OK boys，咁你哋啱啱咧就睇完第一次中醫啦，想問下你哋有咩感受？
Very worried.
點解啊？
Because I don't really like people who get in some sharp thing into their body and it makes me a bit scared. 我未見過針灸，一次就得入去。
OK，而家咧就帶你哋兩個食大 pizza。Oh my god， 幾大個！因為咧要多謝你哋兩個信任媽咪，肯第一次睇 TCM。And it's not so bad, right?
It's different. Always try things that are different. I would never have thought sticking acupuncture needles in your elbows would help your legs.
OK，咁今日我哋真係好 multicultural 啊！睇完中醫之後咧就食意大利餐，跟住我哋下一站去邊啊 ，boys？
Toy Story 5。
我哋去睇戲啦，換翻套舒服衫。哇！今日係咪好精彩呢？ Is it a good day？ 不過最精彩嘅部分要等到聽朝。
See, it's good to try new things.
做咩咁驚啊你？
我唔想食，我唔使食。
醫生話你個杯唔使開咁大，等你可以一嘢飲咗佢。
可以加蜜糖。
臨走之前，醫生見到 Noah 好焦慮嘅樣咧，就話其實咧，如果怕苦可以加蜜糖。但係我哋細個嘅時候咧係冇呢啲嘅，知唔知啊？幾苦都要咁一嘢飲咗佢。I'm looking for that. See, so lucky。咁我哋開中藥啦。Alright， 一包 Noah， 一包媽咪。你開禮物啊？
I have a feeling this is a bad present. What is that?
Cinnamon。
Oh, that's cinnamon.
係啊，
唔係啊，
真係啊。
係啊。
呢個比 cinnamon 健康啲，每日要飲2次，每次飲1包。呢個係 Noah 嘅藥單。而家煲緊水嘅時候，俾你一個機會扮媽咪平時錄嘢嘅時候係點？呢個係 Noah 第一次飲中藥。Cheers！
This is gonna be your torture, Noah. How is she chugging?
啲渣先係精華，所以要撈埋飲過。媽咪都覺得苦嘅，但係對身體好係咪？
I'm gonna get a block of sugar for you. Are you alive, Mummy?
哇！今次真係比上次苦好多。
I don't want to down it anymore.
It's better this way。啊，你諗下，如果有苦係咪好快受咗佢，好過不停受不停受係咪？你喺度攝一個鐘，你咪要受苦一個鐘。當媽咪細個嘅時候咧，要飲苦藥我都好唔開心。跟住媽咪同我講話 ，Close your eyes and pretend this is Fanta. Do you know what Fanta tastes like？ 嗰啲 Fanta 喺個腦度。Now drink。你個身體越嚟越好啊！你見到你嘅面色已經越嚟越紅潤啦，哇！對眼咧就越嚟越有呢個精神喎，啲頭髮都濃密咗好多。
Yeah, right.
咁啊
Will I make it out alive is the question.
Yes. Noah. Well done. 點啊你 ？Still alive? OK， 咁我哋今個 adventure 學到啲乜嘢 Noah？Yes, the Chinese medicine is bitter, but I'm very, very happy I introduced you boys to a big part of our culture. 因為睇中醫食中藥咧係好大部分香港小朋友要經歷嘅嘢嚟㗎，知唔知道啊 ？So we'll do it again.
我哋下次再見啦，我要飲水啊。